Damn, what the fuck? What is wrong with this? Oh. I'm gonna get, what you call it? Stop, man. I'm gonna get Eli Cole. Go ahead. What's that? We eat the raw chicken. I can't eat. Oh, no, y'all. I got to go. This is some bullshit.
Steph And Tasha, I had fun with the
Oh, no.
Oh, no, you got a little pizza and stuff like that.
No. This is some bullshit.
Alright, y'all.
If y'all
want me to put my sauce on sale, let me know down in the comments because I'll put y'all a batch. Stick it on y'all way.
What's up, dang gang? It's your boy Dame Dash, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey y'all, did you miss me? Well,
what's going on, family?
Hey, you too happy?
I am.
Real too. Yeah.
You guys, I've been wanting to do this video ever since I seen it come out. And I finally am getting the chance to do it.
I'm mad about it.
What are we doing?
I don't know.
Oh,
you Steph and Tasha, it's y'all fault. It's y'all fault, and I called y'all today, and nobody answered the phone call. I don't know if y'all got the email, a message, a memo, or something that was happening today, but y'all didn't want to answer. It's y'all fault.
Woo! That makes a lot of noise.
So you not gonna tell them what you're doing? You just cutting the stove on with nothing in it?
Yeah, I gotta get it to heat up first.
Go take the pot off.
But now I need to cut it off. I don't know.
Man, this is crazy.
Hold on, Damien. I want you to unplug it.
He don't know how to cook at all. Don't know how to do nothing. You don't know how to work the hot plate. This is about to be horrible. This is about to be
Wait, how you turn it off?
I don't know.
Alright. So y'all, I've been wanting to do this for so long. So, we are doing the Disgusting Sauce Challenge by Steph and Tasha. Now you guys, y'all may not know, but I'm going to let you know. I do not know how to cook absolutely anything. I barely even know how to boil water correctly. So, I went to Myers. And I done bought so much goodies, so many goodies to make Damon just such a great disgusting sauce.
So extra. You too excited. Why are you so excited?
Damon, tell them how long I've been wanting to do this video.
Like, I don't know, since the video first came out. When Steph and Tasha first announced it. I'm gonna put the clip in right here, y'all, when they call this out.
Wow, that smells gross. Next thing I'm gonna throw in, we're gonna throw in some pinto beans with the little sauce that you should drain out and all. Got a little bean sauce. Yes, pinto beans. Yes. Oh God, that smells like dog food. Of course, I had to have a banana.
Don't do this. Who are you challenging? Did you already say?
Oh, let me get to the challenges, y'all. So we're gonna be challenging Mama D's World, Baddie Twins, Flavors by Dame Dash. Oop. That didn't work good.
Now listen, I love seafood, crab legs and stuff like that, but I also got like a phobia of something that's gonna mess up like my favorite drink. If I drink that and I mix it with alcohol and I have a bad experience, like I throw up everywhere or something like that, I never drink the drink again. I don't want to feel that way on the king crab legs if you mess it up.
Bloop. So we are going to get into the video. We don't need to hear Damon's whole spiel. Because we got things to do.
Alright, y'all, I gotta go.
I need you to exit stage left, brother.
Go.
Player, you got to go.
Y'all.
Okay, y'all. We are about to get into making this sauce. So, we had some technical difficulties because we had to find a magnetic pot. This thing is too high tech for me. But we are about to get into the video. But before we start making this sauce, Damon has put his sauce up and for sale. So make sure you guys go over there and get your sauce before it sells out. Alright? Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. So guys, I went to Myers and got a few ingredients. Maybe more than just a few, but we have some unsalted chicken broth. Some Tortitos. What's this? Chunky salsa. Some pico de gallo. Pico de gallo and that tortilla chunky sauce, probably the same thing. Relish. Italian dressing. Some Alfredo sauce. Now Damon hates canned Alfredo sauce. Some syrup. This is a newfound enjoyment of his. Pickled ginger. Sriracha hot chili sauce. I don't even know this. I just picked it up. Regular hot sauce. Tuna.
Boy, if you don't.
And then after Damon goes to the gym, you guys, he always drink one of these, so let's give him some energy with a kombucha. And last but not least, Pedialyte.
Huh?
I may not put this in here because I think that, y'all, this might be a bit much, but we'll see. Okay, so let's turn this on. Excuse the noise because it's a little loud. I didn't know that. Let that warm up some. We got our onion. Got a lemon. Alright, so we got a little hot, so oh, y'all don't understand. I have been so excited to do this video. I've been waiting to do this video for so long. So, we are gonna start with this kombucha. The flavor is berry. Oh, this is what I get. That's what I get. That is what I get. A little too hot. Okay. A little too hot, y'all. A little too hot. So now hold on, cook. Put all of it in there. Oh, I like this stuff. Then we're gonna put some pickled ginger in there. Yeah. Let's do this. Yuck. Smell it. I swear, y'all, this is I feel bad, but I feel good too. Oh, this is so breath. We're gonna put this unsalted chicken breast in there. Steph and Tasha, I love y'all for this. I love y'all for this. I love that getting David on these challenges, y'all. But one thing I be forgetting is that I always have to go second. I'm gonna learn one day. Get a little amount in there. I think that's enough. I think that's enough. Not that one. Yeah. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys are doing great, because I am doing great. We are almost to the weekend. I'm so ready to be off. Oh, you shake it up. Yuck. Oh, no. Let's go with some yours. I got to get a spoon. As you guys know, I am starting my own YouTube channel, being Mylan. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers over there, and we will have our first video coming up once we hit that 1,000 mark. My channel more so gonna be about everyday. We're not really even everyday life, about traveling. I love to travel. Ugh, I just put that in there. About traveling and the great adventures life takes me on. So, if you guys want to go over there and subscribe and see what I'm all about. Get some syrup. Ugh. I'm gonna put a lot of that because most of that is the same thing. Yeah. I think we need to open up that tuna. What y'all think? I think we gonna do it. Alright, back. Got our can open. Got our can open now. And stuff here, let's go boil over like that. Like that. Alright. Oh shoot. Okay. Alright, here we go. Let's finish on up, y'all. Look at that. We are done with this fabulous sauce. This fabulous, delicious sauce. Let me know if you guys want me to start making it so you guys can order, taste it. It's good. Let's give it a good old pour. Ugh. Ugh. It even poured to the bowl, nasty. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. I don't even think a dog would even eat that. Alrighty, you guys. We are back, and here's our final guest. Our taste tester, rather.
It stink.
It smells delicious.
It smells strong.
It smells delightful.
Man, it smells like I'm about to use the bathroom on myself right now. Like, I'm not even ready, and it's crazy because I'm hungry.
Oh, you hungry?
I ain't eaten all day.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Woo-hoo. Okay.
See, I just want you to realize, that whatever you just did, I'm going to get you back.
No, I can't do a repeat video.
What you mean?
A part 2. We can't do.
Oh yes, no. It's a part 2 for sure.
Oh no.
And depending on how bad this is, the part 2 might be today.
No, I'm
like
hungry.
I can't. Don't
I
come
can't
on.
because I'm hungry.
No, I'm starving. I haven't ate nothing all day. All day, and it's late, and I don't even know when this video coming out because it's so late.
I know we had technical difficulties, y'all.
Man, this is some bull.
Okay, we're gonna start with a small piece though.
What you mean? It's only one piece. I'm only eating one.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yes.
You eating the whole crab?
No, I'm not.
Okay, well I'm gonna start with a big piece then.
Like, how you got? I'm not gonna eat 2. It's 2 crab legs. I'm not eating 2 of them in that nasty sauce.
Alright.
I know it's nasty. I gotta drink some water first. What is this?
That FLAVORSBYDAMEDASH butter sauce. Y'all better run over and get.
Oh yeah, it's on
They are
sale.
in stock.
It's on sale right now, y'all, and I'm sure it's like 1,000 times better than this crazy stuff that he got. And I wish that it was warm right now so I could eat my food.
No. I'm sure they want me to start selling sauce.
No. I'm sure y'all want to go over there and buy some good sauce.
No. This the new
FLAVORSBYDAMEDASH.com.
No, this is the 2020 FLAVORSBYDAMEDASH sauce.
You a lie? I wouldn't dare. Don't dare. Don't ever.
This is the 2020 version, y'all.
You can't even cook. I know you had a hard time in here.
I did.
Come on, man. Come on now.
Yeah.
Oof. It smells like I don't even like this. I don't even want to do this for real. What's the consequence?
Egg in the face.
Just give me the egg now.
Okay. Right here.
Hold on. Wait a minute. What is that? What? Oh God. The sound of something is making me want to throw up.
Oh, right here.
What's this?
Nothing. Here. It's in my hand.
Huh? What's on it? Nothing? What's in this? What is on this?
You about to make...
Oh no.
You done messed it all up.
Oh no. That's... Ooh. Oh no. Hell no. Hell no.
Right here. Come on. Get it.
Wait. What is this?
I know it's hot.
Wait. Stop putting stuff. Come on
I think it
now.
was falling off.
It's okay.
No. From the other end.
Wait, it's hot.
No, don't turn. No.
Huh?
Turn it around the other end.
What is this?
Damn it, come on now. You playing. Alright, go ahead. Go ahead. Open wide. Go ahead. Open wide.
Calm down, now. Chill. Oh, what the fuck? What is this?
You didn't even chew it, so you don't even know what's on it.
What is some crunchy?
Alright, tell me what you taste. What you tasting?
Ginger.
Huh?
It's ginger.
Okay. That's one.
Hold on. I gotta read that.
You gotta reset.
Oh. Ginger is strong. You can taste the ginger. The ginger is in here. It's onions. That end right here is good. Like this. This end is good. Ain't nothing on there. Just an onion.
Yep. You need a better piece.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. I need to update it.
Another piece of ginger. What else? It just tastes like a bunch of ginger. Ginger is very overpowering.
You act like I knew that.
Ooh. Oh, that was a piece of fat.
Right here, try this piece. You probably can get more of a flavor. Here. Here. You probably get a little bit of flavor.
This is nasty.
Alright, here. Open wide! That is coming off because you doing that on purpose. It's not even nasty. It tastes good.
What was that? What was that?
You didn't even eat nothing.
I'm done.
You didn't even eat anything.
I can't. Y'all want to see some nasty stuff? Y'all gonna see me throw up, and I'm sure that looked like throw up, cause it smelled like it.
You didn't even taste nothing. All right, tell me some ingredients.
Ginger.
Okay, give me another.
Ginger and tomatoes. I taste the tomato.
Okay, keep going.
Onions.
Okay.
It's spicy. Did you use like a hot sauce or something? Cause my lips are burning.
Need a little?
They like tingling in the corners.
You know, you didn't really get any.
I didn't get none of. What you mean? I just said some stuff.
No, you said some good stuff. I'm talking about you didn't really get none and get into the sauce.
I put it all in my mouth. I ain't gotta chew it to know flavor.
You do.
No, I don't. I know it's what a cook eat. I'm a cooks. That was some big ass ginger. It was like the ginger from the sushi. Come on, help it. I can take this off.
Ginger.
Come on.
No, if you take that off, you get an egg.
How? I guessed. I guessed a lot.
No, you have. You only guessed 3 of them.
You're only supposed to have 8 ingredients. No. I did 3.
Okay.
Wait, I did more than 3.
No.
I said tomatoes. I said ginger. I said onions. I said hot sauce. That's 4.
Well, what kind of hot sauce?
We only got Frank's.
Well, they definitely ain't Frank's. No, they fell in fluff here.
What's this? I don't want this. It could have ass juice in it and stuff from the food. Give me a napkin.
They're on the floor.
Where?
They're ways away from you.
Okay, I'm taking this off. Oh, God. Oh, no. This looks horrible.
Yeah.
What is that? Chicken soup?
I know y'all ready to buy it.
No, this was a fail. This is horrible. And I'm hungry. And I don't even want seafood no more.
No, it was actually good.
You eat some?
Of course I did.
Come on, taste it.
I tasted it already.
No, taste it now.
I don't have to taste it.
Don't taste it right now.
I don't have to taste it.
What is in that? It look like milk. Is it cheese?
Pickled ginger. Sriracha. Hot sauce. Pickled ginger.
You said that already.
Oh. Lemon.
Whole lemon?
Whole lemon. Onions. Pico de gallo. What is it? Tostitos. Salsa. Jarred Alfredo sauce.
Ugh, that's why it's creamy. What the hell?
Tuna.
Tuna fish is in there? You put tuna fish in there? I knew it was more fishy than normal.
Relish. Syrup.
Oh.
A whole bottle of kombucha.
That's the ginger. It was more ginger. Oh no.
Unsalted chicken broth.
You could have left the salt.
What else did I put in here?
I don't know, but this was a fail, y'all. Y'all got to be out your mind. I think I was gonna eat this. I'm not. You eat a piece. Here, try a piece.
No, I'm not
try it.
No, I don't have to try a piece.
No, come on, try it because you know it's nasty.
I'm not trying a piece.
Nah, bro.
I'm trying to think of what else I got in here.
I don't know. I felt this miserable. I didn't even try to eat it. I can't.
I'm not eating it, so I don't know why you open it.
Come on, you need to eat it.
I'm not.
This is your bright ass idea.
Okay.
Here, take a piece.
No, I'm not opening
Just put a little bit of your kombucha on there.
Just a little bit. Hold on, let's see.
Try. No. Get the. Come on, let me help.
No, I'm a dip.
No. Come on. Come on. No, come on.
This not a part of the game.
But this is
not a
your
part of the
creation.
challenge. I'm not supposed to taste
Come
it.
on now. This is what you wanted. Okay.
No, but you gotta go get an egg.
I ain't gotta get egg.
You do. You didn't name 8 of them.
Okay, well you gotta get the egg. Come on,
Put it over the thing. You gonna make a mess. Oh my lord.
Come on, taste your creation.
You know, I'm gonna do this like a G.
Do it like a G.
Because I know it's good. I know it's good. Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my lord.
I can't even eat the regular piece.
Oh,
God.
that is hot.
It's spicy and it tastes like ass.
Ooh.
It's spicy
But
ass.
you know, it kind of wasn't that bad. It wasn't bad. It was bad. Oh my god.
It's making this piece that's normal taste like ass.
Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Well,
This was no.
chew that whole piece.
I'm not
If
chewing
you chew
that.
that whole piece, I won't egg you.
No, you don't even chew it.
I don't have to chew it.
Well, go get the egg. Cause I'm not.
Wait, it was something hard in there.
Yes, I'm saying they're trying to crush my tooth.
I know.
What was that?
it?
I don't know. Was it gristle?
I don't know. It was kind of hard.
Nah, bruh. Nah, I can't do it. I can't be doing that. I can't do this.
Oh.
I'm not about that life. I can't do it. I'm scarred for life. Why do you have 2 eggs?
Okay. Alright. Okay,
Why?
so.
No. Why do you have 2?
Eggy.
Why do you have 2 eggs? Look, you nah.
I'm out of crack water.
What the hell is wrong with you, bruh? No, come on now. I did
Oh, I got my
good.
glasses back on, y'all.
I did good. I don't feel like I need
No.
all the extraness of this situation.
But it was really good, though.
Was it?
Tell me the truth.
Listen,
How good was it?
that tastes like if you was out. Wait, now, hold on, wait a minute.
Damn, what the fuck? What the hell is in his head? Look,
You hit me in the eye.
look.
It bust my eye.
But look, I'm squeezing. This motherfucker won't. I mean. Oh, you messed up the chair.
Why would you do that? It's in my ear.
David, what is wrong with this? Oh.
Come on, man. I'm gonna get, what you call it? Stop, man. I'm gonna get Eli Cole. Go ahead. E. coli. What's that? We eat the raw chicken. I can't eat. Oh, no, y'all. I got to go. This is some bullshit.
Steph And Tasha, I had fun with the
Oh, no.
Oh, no, you got a little pizza or something like that.
No. Come, this is some bullshit.
All right, y'all.
No.
This was fun.
No.
If y'all want me to put my sauce on sale,
no.
let me know down in the comments because I'll put y'all a match.
Oh, no.
If you know y'all way.
Oh, no. Oh, no, bruh.
Like,
Oh, no.
Stop.
Oh, no.
Like,
Oh, no. Oh, no.
like,
Oh, no.
like, comment, share,
Oh,
subscribe. Let everybody know what we do.
Oh, no, bruh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Come on. I can't. Oh, no.
That sauce is for sale.
Oh,
Make sure
no.
you get over to FLAVORSBYDAMEDASH.com.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
We'll be back tomorrow with another bang video.
Oh, no. Oh, hell no.
Peace.
This.
Love ya. Peace.
Oh, hell no. Hell no.
Bye.
Oh, no. Marlon, why would you do that shit?
I'm so glad I cleaned up last time.
Oh, my God. Oh, no, this nah. Marlon, nah. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. You got me. Oh, no. I can't say shit else. Oh, no. You got me. You want me to clean this up after you did it? Oh, no. Oh, no.